Hello, welcome again. We are solving GATE 2024 Mechanical Engineering paper. Question number 46 is a piston cylinder arrangement shown in figure has a stop located 2 meter above the base. The cylinder initially contains air at 140 kPa and 350 degrees Celsius, and the piston is resting in equilibrium at a position which is 1 meter above the stop. The system is now cooled to the ambient temperature of 25 degrees Celsius. Consider air to be an ideal gas with constant value of R is equal to 0.287 kJ per kilogram per degree Kelvin. The absolute value of specific work done during the process is dash kilojoule per kilogram, rounded up to 1 decimal place. So as the temperature is decreased, the piston will move down. So first, up to stop, the constant pressure process will take place, and after the stop, the constant volume process will take place if it goes on further cooling. And during constant volume process, there is no work done. So work will be done only in constant pressure process. So first process is your constant pressure process, and P1 is 140 kPa and initial temperature is 350 plus 273, that is 623 Kelvin. So applying a state equation, P1 V1 by T1 is equal to P2 V2 by V2. So P1 is equal to P2, constant pressure process, and V1 is 3, as you can see from the figure, that if A is the cross section area, then V1 is 3 into A and V2 is 2 into A. If A is the cross section area, then this T1 is 623 and T2 comes out as 415.33 Kelvin. And so as work is done during the constant pressure process only, so we will find out that work using first law. We know that Q is equal to W plus del U, and Q in constant pressure process is Cp T2 minus T1, and del U is Cv T2 minus T1. So W will be our Cp minus Cv T2 minus T1, or R T2 minus T1. This is R is 0.287 and T2 is 415 and T1 is 623. So it will come out as minus 59.65 kilojoule, or absolute value is 59.65 kilojoule per kilogram in the